Hello viewers, today's message is especially for Capricorn because between April 11 and April 15, 2026, the moments in the sky are quietly sending signal that something importantly may be shifting in your life. These changes may appear silent on the surface, but deep down they carry the possibility of a powerful transformation. If lately you have been feeling as if doors are closing, as if your hard work was not bringing clear results, or if there has been an unexplainable restlessness somewhere in your heart, then pause for a moment and listen carefully to the message. In the coming days, the universe may open a door for you that you may never have expected. During this day, you might sense a quiet shifting happening around you, as if situations are slowly being turned in your favor, as if a complicated matter is gradually resolving itself. You may even start wondering whether the difficult phase that has been troubling you for quite some time is finally nearing its end. Interestingly, for some Capricorns, an old message or a memory connected to someone from the past may suddenly reappear. This moment could surprise you and also make you reflect on how time silently continues to write its own story. At the same time, some of you may notice an opportunity in your work or daily life that have previously overlooked. Now that the same opportunity could be pointing toward a completely new direction. If you listen carefully to your inner voice, you will start realizing where the universe is gently guiding. Another fascinating detail is that around April 11 and April 12, certain signs may appear that seem small on the surface but could lead to much bigger results later on. It might come through an unexpected conversation, a message, or even a sudden idea that enters your mind and opens the door to a new perspective. Many Capricorns may also feel as if their inner courage is awakening again, as if deep within their hearts a quiet realization is forming that the time has come to believe in themselves more strongly and to walk down paths that once felt. If you have recently been worried about financial matters, these days may begin to bring a sense of balance. For some people, news or a responsibility may appear. It brings relief and reminds you that sincere efforts never goes to waste. In matters of hurts, there also seem to be a gentle light appearing. It may feel as if something that remained unspoken is finally close to being expressed, or perhaps someone who has been silent observing you may suddenly make their presence unknown. However, there is also a hidden layer to this message that I will not fully reveal just yet because toward the end of this prediction, there is a special insight that could become deeply meaningful for certain Capricorn individuals. Around April 13, some Capricorns may feel as if sudden clarity arrives in an area of life that once seemed confusing. It may feel as though a fog has lifted, allowing you to clearly recognize which path truly belongs to you. This could be the moment when the decision may make beings shaping the foundation of the coming months. Another interesting possibility during this time is that some of you may find yourself thinking again about an old plan or unfinished dream. Surprisingly, that same dream might now appear so much achievable than it ever did before. Capricorns are naturally known for their determination and strong will, but the quiet confidence that may rise within you during this day could even surprise you. Sometimes the universe reveals a person's true strength at the exact moment when they begin to believe that moving forward might be difficult. April 14 appeared to be a practically noteworthy day. On this day, a sign may appear that seems ordinary at first, yet it may inspire you a completely new direction in your thinking. This could be the moment when you realize that your story is not ending at all. In fact, a new chapter may be preparing to begin. For some Capricorns, there may also a surprising moment involving an important person in their life. A conversation, an encounter, or a meaningful exchange could shift the emotional atmosphere in the way that make you realize that destiny may still have many pages left to write. If you have been quietly wondering whether good news is approaching, whether long standing problems may find a resolve, or whether someone from your past could appear again, then the coming days may gradually reveal signs pointing toward those answers. However, there is another important truth to remember. Sometimes opportunities appear right in front of us, but we hesitate because we do not believe we deserve them. The reality is that the universe opens doors only where courage and belief exist together. As April 15 approaches, a special energy may become noticeable as if circumstances are slowly aligning in your favor, as if a long effort is finally close to producing result. At the moment, you may realize that the patience you showed was never wasted. And as I mentioned in the beginning, there is one important message for Capricorn people that should not be ignored in the coming days. If you encounter a new idea, a new path, or an unexpected opportunity, do not reject it too quickly. It might be the very doorway behind which the transformation you have been waiting for it quietly hidden. Sometimes destiny does not arrive with loud announcements. Instead, it gently knocks on the door, and only those who keep faith alive within their hearts are able to hear it. If you belong to the Capricorn zodiac sign, remember that this day may come to remind you to believe in yourself again, and that belief may become the beginning of an entirely new chapter in your life. If this message felt close to your heart, make sure to like this video, write your zodiac sign in the comments so we can bring more predictions especially for you. Share this video with your friends so they can also understand this cosmic signal. And if you have not subscribed to Astro Planning Podcast, yet subscribe now so you never miss the next prediction. Perhaps the next video will relieve the sign you have been waiting for. Until then, take care of yourself and remember the story written by the universe is still unfolding. Take care and goodbye.